It's a very special year for Brett Favre.
Well, I look at the Green Bay Packers, and I thought their defense would be good because I watched them in the preseason. I didn't think
Can't
their
see
defense
anything?
would be this good.
Too
I
light?
think the reason their defense is so good, they have two shutdown corners out there on Rikers Island. Al Harris and Charles Woodson. And if they're going to run the football like you think with Brandon
Hey, look
Jacobs,
at Dino,
they
he's
can
such
drop
a
one
no.
to
Oh, look,
safety
he's
down, get into a
jumping
big
buddy.
man ball.
Oh wait, I think someone
Al
here.
Harris-
Good Dino, good Dino. Look, he's an old timer, but
and they can dominate this ball game, but I think it'll be close because the temperatures are going to be
my God.
Oh!
You were recording for her?
Look at
You guys are looking at me like that. Boomer's like,
He's actually not tough. I hope you're not recording
Anyway, folks, coming up as we continue live.
look at
Championship Sunday.
okay, I think it's time to stop that. Dino is too old for this.
Dad, go get them! Dad, go get them!
No.
Now! Go! What?
Let him play. Oh, sh.
Okay,
Dino got.
Dino's quitting now. He's coming home. Let me open the door.
Dino, come here, boy. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here, Dino. Come here, buddy. Buddy.